All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Right off the bat, be sure to check out the weekly watch list. I think I forgot to bring it up Friday, but anyway, stockstotrade.com/watch list goes out every weekend. Hopefully you got that. You know, some of the main swing ideas. New podcast drops tomorrow. Had a new YouTube video talking about watch lists go drop over the weekend. So lots of stuff out there for you to catch up on. And there was something else. Yeah, maybe it'll come to me. There was something else that I was... Yeah, anyway. Number one, well, I don't know about number one, but definitely top of the list is AMC, and it's just a repeat of Friday. If you were here Friday morning, you know, we talked about that, you know, I joked about the MOAS, but that the significance of that 1450 level, you know, I've got this drawing on the whiteboard, over 1425, 1450. Basically, that would be, you know, you'd have a multi-month breakout. You'd have a reclaim of Friday's highs. So a lot going on at 1450 on AMC. Definitely one of the tops of the list for me today. So AMC didn't do it on Friday, but basically identical plan today. A perfect circle asked about BNGO. So this tried Friday and then just went sideways for, 5 hours. So this was a good gapper Friday morning, but then pulled back hard and then just stuck in a channel and continues to be stuck in a channel and not what I would call an ideal daily chart either. Maybe if there's follow-up news, maybe if there's wild volume, but BNGO just kind of a meh setup to me. POWW just dropped the PR. Okay. So POWW is an ammo play. Oh, okay. So, we've been watching this for a while. As always, remember, we don't talk politics here. We're just looking for opportunity. Again, if you've been following the news, guns and ammo sales are through the roof. So this has been in play. Wow, 50% growth. So definitely solid news. I would set an alert at 750. And I know what you'll say. You'll say, well, why? Tim, if you think it, and this is in the ebook, this is something I talk about all the time. You might be like, well, Tim, if you think it's going to run, if it breaks 750, why not buy it at 630? I get what you're saying. I understand. But the point is, unless it can break those key levels, it's just a stock it's just a PR. Listen, it's Monday morning. It's Money Monday. There's probably 200 stocks or more dropping PRs on Monday morning. I mean, it's what low price stocks do. But if this can't break key levels, it just becomes a BNGO. You know what I'm saying? So actually, that's a good segue. So if it can't bust through levels on the chart, it just becomes BNGO on Friday. Had a PR, gaps up, pulls back, and then does nothing the rest of the day. That actually worked out kind of good. I like the sector and the juicy PR, but this has to break out on the daily. 750s, etc. Is Vuzi still a good swing idea? Vuzi's just been sideways for weeks, hasn't it? No, I mean, come on. Helena, this is, you know the answer to this question, Helena. I mean, and again, we're all friends here. I want to help you. But I feel, Helena, I don't know you, but I have a feeling this is, what do you call that? A rhetorical question when you already know the answer? So Yeah, I mean, listen, this was one of our favorite stocks last winter, from December to freaking, well, basically December to April. But it's over. Remember what momentum stocks do. Okay? That's what all momentum stocks do. Now, we look for high volume moves. Those are my volume bars. We look for hot sectors, press releases, mania. Voozy had all that. The tie-in with Microsoft and augmented reality. But when it's over, remember, it becomes a game of musical chairs. All momentum stocks, at some point, fade back. And, it's musical chairs. It's just, who's going to get out before there's no chairs left. So, CHS breakout. So anyway, answer's no on Voozy. And I feel like you knew the answer to it. No volume on CHS. Chico's Fast. What's Chico's Fast? I remember this ticker. What is this? Oh, yeah, it's some dying retailer. 100 million float, no volume. Yuck. SWBI. Another gun stock. Oh, you guys want to trade the gun stocks, huh? Yeah, sideways chart. So listen, I appreciate that you guys are keeping your eye on a potential hot sector. But again, these sideways charts don't do you no good. Because remember the idea behind, back to Voozy. The idea behind short-term trading, momentum trading is, and I think that this is your teaching moment of the day. And I think a lot of people don't get this, or it doesn't make sense. Remember, as day traders, momentum traders, we don't want to be first to anything. We don't want to be first. We want to join the mania and join the crowd. So, yes, guns and ammo, I think, is definitely a potential hot sector. But all I see on SWBI is a stock that's banged around from 17 to 19 for 8-9 months. So, AT&T, yeah, I mean, I know it looks like a big move. I know it looks like AT&T going from 32 to 34, but $250 billion market cap, $7 billion float. Your best case scenario on a Goliath like AT&T is maybe 1 or 2% a day or something. So, listen, you can invest in this, but day trading wise, so, if you want to buy something in your IRA and hold it for 5 years, well, if you were going to do that, I'd buy Apple, Google, Amazon. Okay. But my point is, if you're going to trade a $7 billion float, $250 billion market cap stock, you got to have a long time frame. So, PRPO. Not bashing it. Now, I'm not bashing ATT. It's just, be prepared to get bored to death. So, PRPO, break a Friday's highs. So, this is in the ebook too. PRPO, low floater, ebook, breaking previous day's highs. NWBO. Yeah. How many shares did it trade? 4 million shares on a dollar stock on Friday. I don't know. 800 million float. Yeah. I don't know. I just think there's better out there. So, I mean, OTCs have been hot, but look for afternoon OTC swizzles. So if that standard OTC swizzle, if this is closing near the high of the day into the market close, it probably gaps the next day. So, IHT, is IHT still alive or she give up the ghost? Same level as Friday, 8. So you can see my alert that never triggered. Okay. So I got an alert at 8. Whoops. On IHT, same plan. I don't really think it gets there, but I mean, this stock is squeezed every day for like 2 weeks. So IHT over 8. All right, guys, I do need to run. IHT. I think I saw AMC hit a high day, right? Yeah. So anyway, I'm going to end as I began. I think right now, AMC, my main, little bit quieter out there. You could probably tell, and I think you guys brought good tickers, but, they're so far, it's obviously early, but so far nothing really, really, really like, this is like the perfect Monday morning ripper. But, we have 45 minutes. So, till the open. So, all right. Have a great day, everyone. And we will see you next time.